Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. The stock market is open, and guess what? That means we watch AMC do its magic. That's what we got going on right now, and AMC is looking good so far today. We are currently trading at $35.20, up 5% on the day. We haven't seen a 5% Monday in quite some time now. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. We've got Nufo and Crypto Rocketeer in the chat so far. First mod, and Nufo is first. So yes, you guys are both firsts. I like it. Hopefully YouTube is sending some notifications out right now when we do get some more people in there or in here. But yeah, guys, how was your weekend? How's your Monday going so far? Is it good? Are you happy to be here? Are you happy we're back? Because I'm happy to be here. And let's just make sure tablet volume is set to 0 just in case we go do anything. We don't need anybody getting any copyrights or anything going on with YouTube or anything like that. But let's go big screen Weeble really quick. Look at this run, okay? Yeah, we open up down here. We trade sideways for a little while, but boom! AMC went on a nice run this morning. 45-degree angle. And then I believe this right here. So this was the $30 mark, roughly the $30 mark that we don't want to fall back down through. And this was that daily downtrend line. This has to be the daily downtrend line that we put on the graph from last week when we were talking about it on Friday. Quality, not quantity. What's up, Pringleton? How you doing, man? Fourth, I'm a loser. You are never a loser, M. James. FaZe fan. Oh, my good. FaZe fan's probably starting school again. FaZe, when you got to go back to school, man? I feel for you. First, wasn't signed in. Gotcha, FaZe. I'm happy we were in the green. Nick, I'm ecstatic we're in the green. Wasabi Clay. Wasabi Clay, bro. Let's go. Xavier, boom, let's do it. Mark, how you doing? All right, now the people are coming in. Sam, hello. Good morning, AMC family. Tommy, how you doing? Welcome back, everyone. Bit of a rough weekend. Glad to be back in the chat. Chris, glad to have you back in here, man. So punctual today. I know, Brett. Right at 11 o'clock. It's looking good, isn't it? King Vortex Gaming, AMC all day. Yes, Clay, check out NAOV. I'm up 70%. It's up 45% on the day. Dude, you are ripping 70%. I love it, M. James. Let's see what NAOV's got going on. That looks beautiful, man. It's got to be one of the top movers on the day, right? If it's up 45% on the day, oh yeah. Biggest mover of the day, M. James is already in it. That's the YouTube alert, just out now. Alright, yes it is, just out now. It's a little bit late, but alright, whatever, we got it. August 30th, I go back to school. FaZe fan, gotta be terrible, isn't it, man? Can't wait till my kids go back to school tomorrow, finally. Oh no, Xavier wants an empty house. Morning. Good morning, everybody. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Hello, everybody. DJ Quagmire. That's how the Clay Show is brought to you in part by Clay and the Chipmunk Kids, coming soon to Netflix. Dude, that would be a great show on Netflix, wouldn't it? I would watch it. So much positive. The vibes and the AMC feels like every day going to be a weekend soon. Hurry. Let's go, man. Hooray. Not hurry. Let's go. It's going to be a good week for our beloved AMC. Clay wrote, Nigel. I think it is, man. We get a nice start to the week. I say we finish strong, too. Good morning, y'all. Marine Cooler Brett, how you doing? Clay bro, will you please be my wife's boyfriend? Cody, I don't know, man. Accepting applications. My Tesla is crashing down. Tommy, yeah, Tesla's down. Not big this morning, but down below 700 again. Good morning, Clay bro. Good morning, SD. How you doing? How you feel about Doge? Doge, should I wait for it to drop back to 18, 19 to buy in? FaZe. Up to you, man. Up to you. Crypto is extremely volatile. I don't know if it can sustain that sort of a run, and I don't know. We might see a pullback too. We might never see 30 cents again. So I have no idea. Been in it for a week and a half. Don't go chasing it, y'all. You may lose, especially at this price right here, man. A week and a half. Dang, dude. Imagine getting into this last month at like 70 cents. Look, if you want to go chase it after it breaks 375. If it breaks 375, you could go on a decent run from there. But you got some extreme resistance in this area. Right where it's at right now. That 375, it hit that high twice. That exact high. Hit 375 today, and it hit 375 like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. Whatever that is. Kind of rainy here in Ohio. It is kind of rainy here in Ohio. Oil tips. Good afternoon. Johan, what's going on, man? I hear Bigfoot bought 100,000 shares of AMC, so Moon guaranteed soon. Brett, Might be onto something, man. You definitely need to join the Reddit team. Chris, Clay, you know why every YouTuber and their mom keeps acting like this is the week, also acting like 200,000 is possible now. I know it's clickbait, but people getting out of control. Dude, people have been out of control for quite some time, Chris, and they will not get in control now. Good morning, bro. Green day equals good day. Justin, green day equals great day, man. What up, bro? Where's the coffee at? I don't have any coffee right now, man. I don't have any coffee. I just got water today. It's terrible, isn't it? AMC and AQST will blow past 100 and 1,000. The Ape Father, let's go. I don't know if it's really Father or not, but yes, let's go. Luca, I still will. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's up, Clay, bro? How was your weekend? DSA Sports. My weekend was good, man. How was yours? Hey, Clay, what is the resistance we need to break through to shoot up? Well, you know what? Let's take a look at that really quick because I do want to see that. On this minute chart, this downtrend right in here, I don't know, 37 minutes of downtrend, right? Pull up the hour chart. I think we're right in there, man. And for some reason, this bar moves when you switch the chart on Webull. But we're right in that range right now that we need to sustain a move up if we want to break out of this downtrend. So we were talking about it right here on the daily chart, right? And if we break this downtrend, I think we're going to see some nice upward action. So we do have some resistance right in this area right here at like 37.50, just natural resistance. But then this downtrend also needs to be broken. So whether we consolidate this week and then break out either to the upside or downside, or we finally break the downtrend, this line right here where we're trading needs to get broken. So I'm excited. I want to see it get broken just as bad as you guys do. Gabe, good morning. Let's go. Get it, man. Let's go. You think we can start seeing FOMO buying soon? Nick, possibly. I think we need to get back into the 40s before we really see something move, though. Just need AMC to close at 60.55. Let's go, FaZe, 36.55. Either way, FaZe, either way. It's a good deal, man. What's up, Clay, bro, and family? AMC Trapper, what's going on, man? Loving how the majority of the market is red except for AMC. Dude, I'm not really loving how the majority of the market is red except for AMC and GME because AMC and GME aren't the only positions I have. But yes, the majority, like my watch list is red and AMC and GME are green. AMC and AQST only people, okay. AMC will stay at 34 today. Tommy, possible, man, but if we break out to the upside, we're going to run. Maybe they need a war to direct the attention away from the MOAS. Possibly. What up, Brett? What's going on, Brett? What's going on, AMC Trevor? Hey, bro, Matt keeps wanting more volume and saying there's no way the hedge funds couldn't cover in a day. Okay, wants more volume, and was saying there's no way that hedge funds couldn't cover in a day. 6.2 had 750 million volume. How could they not cover in a day if they wanted to? Clearbrow's wet, Samsung. They could. They could. On 750 million volume, man, they can cover in a day, dude. They will easily, if there's a billion shares being traded, they will be able to buy 80 million shares. But I think that, well, all right. So I think the difference, like my opinion, differs from Matt's, and the fact that he's a believer in that there's hundreds of millions or billions of synthetics. So I would assume that would be why he thinks that they couldn't cover in a day, is because he thinks there's all those synthetics out there. I don't, so I believe they could cover in a day. He does, so he believes it would take longer than a day. Natalie, good morning, Clay and Clay fam. What's going on, Natalie? How you doing? Natalie, I need to get back to you on Twitter. I just grabbed some AQST. I like where it's heading. AMC is still 90% of my portfolio, though. Nice. AMC 8. Morning, Natalie. Caps for consistency. Caps for consistency. Whatever cap. Oh, Natalie. Gotcha. The caps in Natalie for consistency. Clay, please enlarge your chart. Woo-hoo-hoo! Denny, bringing it hot, man. Bringing it hot right in the morning. Enlarge your chart. I like it. Got it. Are we wet or dry today? Claybro's wet Samsung. We are wet today for some stupid reason. We are always wet, except for that one good week. We had a good week where we weren't wet, and I don't understand. Love your update. I'll wait for your update after close market. Sam Dami, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Boom, boom, Crypto Rocketeer. AMC Trapper saying hello to Natalie. Is this the Chipmunk watching channel? Sergeant Baloney. It might be, man, but I don't think the Chipmunk likes me anymore. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't think the chipmunk likes me anymore. He has not been in the house in, what, like 8 or 9 days now? What are your thoughts on recent reports of hedges writing to, I believe, the SEC, begging them to reconsider the amounts of 250? It seems like a fear is in those hearts. Yeah, Lex, it could be fear, man. It could just be the fact that they don't want to increase their margins. I don't exactly know what it would be. They just, dude, less money. The less money they need to trade, the better for them. So, of course, they would try to get that back down. I respect your thoughts about synthetic shares, but I hope you're wrong. Dude, me too, Johan. I hope I'm wrong too, man. If I turn out to be wrong on that, and they have to cover, I don't know, 5 billion shares of AMC, like, I don't know, man. That's like guaranteed insane money. So, there's a part of me that hopes I'm wrong too, but I don't think I'm wrong. But there's always that part, man. There's always that part. It's like, man, I hope I'm wrong because I'll be filthy rich, but I don't know if I'm wrong on that one. Clay, do you think there are synthetics at all? And if so, how? Yeah, NT. So I think there's always synthetics in the market that are derived from FTDs, right? I think that these naked shorts come from FTDs, and I don't think that they're lying on those FTD numbers. If they are lying on those FTD numbers, okay, well, then we can have more synthetics. But I don't think there's like some synthetic factory that just makes fake shares without being reported as fake shares. That's kind of like my mentality on it is if we do have that amount of fake shares, it's more than just like market makers lying or more than just market makers creating these fake shares. It would be insane, dude. If they reach that, if they're that, I don't know, if there's that quantity of naked shares out there, it's really hard to believe. That's why I'm not there yet. By the way, shout out to Claire for blessing my Twitter stream because you liked Natalie's photo. Chris, very nice, man. I like it. Claire, I love you so much. Denny, I love you too, man. Glad you're in here. I'm leaving for Aruba the 27th until the 2nd. Am I really screwed because I don't think there's any internet service there? Chris, man, I can almost guarantee, unless you are sleeping on a boat, you will have internet service when you go to Aruba. You're probably staying in a resort, man, and you should have internet service. Why wouldn't the hedge funds want to keep the amount they have deposited down? It would save me if a letter saved me $240,000. I'd do it too, scared or not. Definitely, man, definitely. So I don't know if they're scared when they write those letters or if they're scared of margin calls, but shoot, man, that's what they pay that guy. I don't know. $800,000 a year to be on their legal team. They pay him to write letters, so of course he's gonna write some letters. Do you love me? Definitely, Denny. Natalie, hello everyone. Hello, Natalie. Good morning to you. I am not hearing any static. I don't hear any static either. Don't know. Thanks. Motherwell Short Squeeze confirmed 27th. Heard it here first. Pringleton, let's go, man. 27th, I'm in. I'll be here the 27th. Clay, I've been to the synthetics factory. They have apes chained to hamster wheels to power their computers. Neil Wolf, it sounds like a dark place, man. I don't want to go there. I will pay for the custom shirt, Clay bro. Why do you hate me? Ah, darn it. Hold on. Am I still here? Can't see anything. Give me a second. Crap, I clicked the wrong button. M. James had me all befuddled when he said that I hate him. No, I don't hate you, M. James. I'm still here. Dude, you know I don't hate you. You're like my 4th favorite person in the chat, M. James. Why would I hate you? Today will be great. Denny, today will be great, man. Stop saying AMC to 100,000 people in the stock expecting they will sell when they don't see close to 100. Yeah, probably. Bruh, when the bubble pops, everyone's hitting up crypto. Yeah, I would say a lot of people will go to crypto afterwards, man. I need some good AMC news. Jennifer, look at the price right now. That is good news. Up like 6% on the day. Come on, we got this. Clay, Cricket having a 40% sale on accessories. Is that what your sis uses for merch? Clay Rose, what's Samsung? It is what she uses for merch. Do they have, like the vinyl and the ink? 40% off too? Or is it just like Cricket cutting accessories? Clay, today, I'm very upset. My new MacBook M1 Pro screen broke by accident. Nina! Did you drop it? Did you drop it? Nina, did you drop it? I think you dropped it. NT, man, thank you very much for the coffee because we don't have any coffee in here today, so Thank you for the coffee. I appreciate the super sticker very much, man. Thank you for the coffee. Ooh, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why the Samsung thinks it's wet. I got a little water on the camera area. Thank you, NT, for almost making my Samsung wet again. Clay, where do I come in your favorite people in the chat? Think carefully before you answer. Give me a while. Give me a while, man. Give me a while. I need to think carefully about this one. GRWG and AMC to the moon. Let's go, D1. I'll take it. Anything that takes AMC to the moon, I got it. Hey, Clay. Rocket. What's going on? Joan De Jesus. Good morning to you, man. Shouldn't slosh your coffee around like that. Brett, I know, but it's water, so it's all right. Coffee gets dangerous. 40% of all materials, including iron-on bundles. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. I'm gonna have to check that out because that's a good deal. I need those. Trick question. Dude, everything's a trick question these days, AMC Trapper. Everybody tries to trick me. Clay, I have a theory. Sid, let's hear it, man. When did the squeeze take place in order to humiliate, defeat Afghanistan, weakening the U.S. dollar? The squeeze will restore faith and credibility in the U.S. Sid, that is definitely a theory. I don't know if that is what's going to happen, but definitely a theory. My number one fave tuber. Tell me how much I need to send. M. James is the number one favorite you do. What kind of custom shirt do you want, M. James? Tell me on Twitter what kind of custom shirt you want. You just want the blue wrench shirt? Or like a bro blue wrench? Or what do we want? So check it. Oh, exiting at $4. Dude, if you hit 4, I don't know. If we bust through 375, which you did, man. You're at 378 right now. Exiting at 4. Sick, dude. Sick. You double your money on it? Is that what you got for? Is that what you're at 4? More than halfway there to a 69-69 close, y'all. Let's do it, Xavier. I love 69-69 closes. You've been rooting for that one for quite some time. Hopefully we get it. Sale ends in a day, so check it out this afternoon. I'll have to, man. I'll have to because I do need some stuff. Yo, Clay, are you the best positive energy YouTuber on Facebook? Dude, I'm not on Facebook. Is that what FB is? I'm not on Facebook. Am I? Clay, I should email Robinhood to change to a cash account, or should I email Robinhood to change to a cash account? I'm not on a margin, but they still technically have my account as margin, and I don't want them selling my shares. I don't trust them. Chris, if you want to go back to a cash account, man, I say go for a cash account then. There's nothing wrong with that. Rocket, what's up? BRB. I didn't even see Rocket in here. AMC Trapper. BRB then, man. Come on back. What did it take? What did you take this morning? Where's the energy coming from? Give us a recipe. A good night's sleep, dude. A good night's sleep, Tap. That's where the energy comes from. Because I don't even have coffee today. Good night's sleep, and you will be rested and ready to go. Claybro is A Father's favorite YouTuber. I agree. Dude, am I the A Father's favorite YouTuber? Did I get my status back? Clay, when you send M. James a shirt, can it have a half peeled off Nick F on the back? No, dude, I'll do like a Nick F I'll do like a gray shirt with like a really light gray ink, so it looks like I peeled Nick F off the back of it. And then I'll do like M. James on it or something with a blue wrench there. Oh man, that would be good, dude. I'll do like a little faded Nick F somewhere in gray ink on gray. That'll be good, Brett. I like it. Hey, Clever, I got a question from Paris. Do you think BlackBerry could be in the future the next AMC? I don't know the short interest on BlackBerry. I don't know how many people would be interested in BlackBerry. If BlackBerry had all the same statistics and the same community that AMC's got, absolutely it could be, but I'm not sure. BlackRock has been snatching up AMC, loaning them out and buying them again. If they do a recall, just think about, hey man, if they did a recall, yeah, if they've been loaning shares out and did a recall, Mr. Anything Tech, that would definitely be good news for us. BlackRock likes to take advantage of risky situations too, man. Back in 2008, BlackRock ate up a ton of housing and apartments. Back in 2008 when everybody was getting foreclosed on. Now they're eating up a ton of AMC shares. So BlackRock takes advantage of movements like this. I got to take my hat off to him. Play Bros, caffeine, a performance enhancer for day trading. Super Steven, it can make you focus a little bit more and you can see things that you wouldn't otherwise see. So yes, it can definitely performance enhance you. Clay loves his decaf coffee. Sid, definitely, man. Am cool, Bacontron. Thank you very much. Am cool, Bacontron, for the super sticker. I love it, man. I don't know if I've ever seen that little fox before, so thank you for the super sticker. I appreciate that. Now, BlackBerry's definitely not the next Ape stock. Yeah, man, there's a difference between the people that are willing to buy it and just the short shares that exist. So you gotta get a bunch of people on board that are willing to take it. 17 likes. All right, updates to the less. What? Come on, guys. More than 17 likes. Let's get it. Can this pump be explained? Yeah, sir. Yeah, absolutely. Anything can be explained, man. Look, and whether it comes on high volume or not, I don't even know what the volume is on AMC right now. It's 38 million. So it's not super high, but I think it's a little bit higher than previous days. Look, man, it all comes down to when people are willing to sell and when people are willing to buy. You can have a stock go on one share. It can go from $30 to $35. If nobody's willing to sell the stock from $30 all the way to $35, that's the price that it goes to. So, simply explained, people weren't willing to sell the stock below. There were more people willing to buy it at 35 than there were willing to sell it at 33, and you have to run up to where the price meets. I think there's a 13-year-old and a 30-year-old's body. McSlipple! I feel like that, dude. I feel like that. Just as hungry, ambitious, and just happy in life as a 13-year-old. But a 30-year-old body, dude, if you see a 13-year-old grow a beard like this, you really got to ask yourself what that kid's parents are feeding him, dude. You gotta ask. You really gotta ask. Dude, my grandma fed me some cream of wheat one time, and she's like, it was nasty, man. It was nasty. If anybody likes that stuff out there, it was nasty. She sat me and my brother down, and she said, if you eat this, I hope my brother's listening right now. If you eat this, you grow some chest hair. Well, Grandma, I can tell you right now that one bowl of cream of wheat did the trick. It did the trick. I'd never had any more. I'd probably never eat anymore. But shoot, produce the hair. So guys, if you can't grow a beard, that's the trick. Just a bowl. It's gonna be nasty. Bowl of cream of wheat. You got it. You don't need the beard oil. You don't need any of that stuff. Cream of wheat. I like cream of wheat with bananas. No lie. Natalie. Not me. Not me. And Natalie's got ape status. Now we know that. No idea what cream of wheat is. Good deal, Crypto Rocketeer. You're not missing anything. Clay, keep up the good work. Bobby Smith, thank you. You keep up the good work as well. I'm just a dude on the screen. That's it. Can I borrow some? Can't borrow. Here comes synthetics. Smith, I thought you were gonna ask to borrow some synthetics off me. With a 13,000-year-old mind. Ooh, the wisdom just coursing through these veins. Ooh, can we make it? Banked off $34 calls this morning so far. Bought 5 when it was at $135. 135 times 5. Sold back at $285. Nice, solid double up. James, anytime you can make some money, it's good, dude. I love it. Thank you for not showing us. JH, you don't think I will? Come on now. You don't think I will? Super Steven, everyone stay away from too much speculation. That's why you're here, Clay. Speculation can be the reason you tank your portfolio. 95% of day trades lose 95% of their portfolio within 95 days. Dude, that's a lot of 95s, man. That's a lot of 95s. But I'd be on with those numbers. And, you know, it's true, man. It's true. It's true. I'm on with you on that one, Super Steven. Tim Braden, can you clarify why, when they short the stock, have they been returning those borrowed shares? So there's a difference just between borrowing a stock, then they actually have to go out and sell it short. If you're just, I don't know if you're talking about Ortex data, like reporting borrowed shares or not. When they short the stock, have they been returning those borrowed shares? So yeah. No, not Jones. Braden, On some of them, yes, man. They've been returning and they've been covering some of their short positions. Not all of them, though. I can't with you. Love you, C-boy. I love you too, Jones. Can I get in? I love you. Yeah, there you go, man. You already got it back. You don't even have to ask. Cream of wheat probably tastes like grits. Yeah, but bad grits, man. Had grits with butter once and it was gritty. Yeah, I mean, I guess cream of wheat would probably be another word for grits, but I don't know. Some grits can be good, but cream of wheat, no. Bro, it's not your hair day. Blake, what do you mean it's not my hair day, dude? Every day is my hair day. Come on. Blake, you get your life, man. Come on, what are you talking about? Not my hair day. She's cream of wheat. She belongs to the streets. Latino Heat. Good morning to you, man. How you doing? When did this turn into a cooking channel? Johan, I'd say about 4 or 5 weeks back. Sweet grits. AMC Trapper's all about them sweet grits. Yeah, but don't do like cream of wheat with nothing in it. It's bad news, dude. Hey, Clay, as a dentist, I don't recommend you forget your 6-month dental checkup. Never do, man. It seems you have a great teeth. Keep them healthy. Yeah, sir, as a dentist, I appreciate that very much. I love giving my dentist a hard time. Doubt she's watching right now, but if she is, shout out to you, dentist. I don't know. I like Vegeta. Clay is the prince of all Clay bros. It's true, man. At least I got my pride, right? At least I got my pride. Phineas, stop retracting messages, man. There's on spot. Mr. Anything Tech, I appreciate that. Lots of apes putting faith into the September 1st thing. Don't apes realize by now that the stock is green when nothing is expected? If a date is hype, that means it's gonna be red. No, dude, I don't think they do. I think they very quickly forget like the whole hype thing and to not get hyped up. I feel like they very quickly forget that. Need some dirtiness in this channel. Xavier, stick around for a minute. I'm sure we'll get it. Sorry I'm late. Phineas, glad you're here, man. Better late than never. Trey had the lamp. You have hair day. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good deal, man. I got a lamp too, though. You know my lamp's cooler than Trey's. One of these days, I'm going to drink that lava water. Once we squeeze, lava water's getting drank. Clay, your lava lamp is going strong today. You must have turned it on super early this morning. No, Natalie, I actually turned it on at probably like 10:05. Probably about 10:05, I'd say. Click get some lines on that chart. Ooh, let's get some lines on this chart, man. Let's see what we got going on here. We need some lines on the chart. Scroll out a little bit. Ooh, we got a good trend line coming here. Let's see what we got. I like that one. I like that one. And then horizontal. This here. Alright. We're not going to fall below this line right here. Not happening. And this is what we got going on. Trend-wise. Let's go, AMC. Let's go. Let's make it happen, guys. No, Clay, don't drink the water. Natalie, I've got to. I've got to. The squeeze is calling. You don't get this kind of... You don't get this hair without drinking a little lava water in your life. Yes, Crypto, let's watch Clay do some lines. Draw some lines, not do some lines. Steeper. Johan, steeper. Oh, that's not just moving the line. Hold on. Let's go back down there, and then. That's what we got, Johan. I don't know if we can go any steeper, man. That's what we got. Next resistance is 40. No, Mark. I think we're gonna have some resistance around the $37 range before that. But this downtrend, you can't see it on the chart right now. Let me show you. This daily downtrend is. We are actually in resistance right now. Look, if you come out here to the daily, we're in resistance right here on this daily downtrend. So we kind of got like a double whammy going on with this line in here, and this daily downtrend that we're seeing. So this $35 mark is providing some level of resistance for us that we need to be able to overcome if we want to continue higher. That lava water will squeeze your digestive system. Don't do it. Just ducky. Anything for the squeeze, man. You got to take one for the team. You got to take one for the squeeze. Careful. Too steep, and it becomes a wall. And we'll get a trading halt. Yeah, we can't go too steep, man. We gotta stay about this. I don't know. What does that look like? A 41-degree angle to you guys? Looks like about I don't know, 39 to 41 to me. Let's curve volume. I think it was around 40 million. 40 million point 34. 40.34 million shares traded so far today. Good afternoon, fellow apes. Billy! Come on, man. It's 11:30. It's not the afternoon yet. Where are you from? What's current volume? Got that one. After the mother of all short squeezes, I'm drinking Clay Bros bathwater. Latino heat. I can tell you that that's a bad idea. That would just be weird. That would be really weird, man. I don't know if I would do that. I wouldn't even drink my bathwater. Dude, if I would drink lava water, but I wouldn't even drink my bathwater, that says something. Don't drink my bathwater, dude. Natalie, if he means it when he says it, like me, his standards can't be too high. Oh, if he means it when he says he likes me, now I got it. His standards can't be too high. Dude, my standards are the highest of the high. And that's why I like that guy. Dude, you guys didn't even think I could do that, man. Martian, watch out. Boom Boom Candles 2 coming soon. It's the Empire doing it. We are the Resistance. Neil Wolf. I like it, man. Johan, I try to find an out of the way bathroom for the party pooping, holding it and going in the middle of the party or rushing to the main restroom or main bathroom can ruin a party. Dude, Brett is always on point, man. Brett's always got like a backup plan ready to go. Pepper Paredes. Hey, man, you said it, not me. You gonna make sure? See, Trevor, you guys are crazy. Yo, wow, Mark, tell me about it. These people are crazy. I am the leader. Ooh, uh-oh. Bobby, did I get that right? All red, but 2 monsters. Smith, what? Crush it. Okay, I will. What's up, Clay, bro? Just bought another 50 shares. Let's go. Salvatore Piazza. I love it when you buy these shares, man. Makes me want a pizza. It does, though. Every time I say your name, I want some pizza. Some people are security-minded and find the exits in every room they enter. I'm bull-minded and find the 2 nearest bathrooms in any circumstance. You could come in handy. Man. I like it. Somebody needs to know where the bathrooms are at all times. Clay, bro, just one question. When moon? Soon moon, Z-Man Mula. Soon moon. Green boom boom candles inbound. Let's go. The trend line is holding back up, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, we draw the line, the candles follow. Clay's bath juice. Bath juice. Oh. Bath juice does not sound good. Okay, let's see how many people are honest in here. Hands up if you ate yellow snow as a child just because it looked tasty. No, dude. No. Does not that. No. That's rule number 1. Parents taught me early on in life, never eat yellow snow, so I never ate it. Speaking of coming in handy, I like the picture. Oh boy, you guys, man, you guys are very creative on your profile pictures. Thank you. Don't have a good day, have a great day. Marky, I love the optimism, man. Have a great day, everybody. That's why the trend line must be steeper. Steeper, I tell you. Johan is on board for a steeper trend line. We made it steeper for you, Johan. I like it. What up? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? I didn't eat yellow snow, but I signed my name in it. Odd. It was your... No, it wasn't, James. No, it wasn't. Take Amazon's approach. Use them bottles. We could. What is the Amazon's approach with bottles, though? I'm watching you. Scott, I'm watching you too, man. Nah, my parents warned me about the yellow snows the day before my big sister tried to get me to eat it. I have tasted dogs. Dude, some of you guys are living some extremely weird lives out there. And, shoot, dude, I thought the cream of wheat was like something to put chest hair on, but it sounds to me like you guys have much more chest hair than I do. Man, that's all I gotta say about that there, Neil Wolf. That's all I gotta say about that. 36 incoming for 36. Ooh, 35.99. Come on, AMC. Don't you want to break 36? What are you doing? 36 is that little line right there. I don't know if you can see it. This is starting to look like an art project. But that little line is 36. Let's break 36 and move further. Love you, brother. Love you too, Cadu Clar. Love you, man. Hello, man. Oh, sorry. How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good day so far. Much love from Scotland. Titan Toys. We got a couple people from Scotland in here. Clay, where you from? I'm from Ohio. Where are you from, Blake? It's only a matter of time before AMC explodes. Doof. Definitely, man. Resistance at 36. We'll get it, Rudy. We'll get it. Mitchell. Lunch money. Thank you, Mitchell. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for the super chat. I will be using that to get what for lunch today? What can I get with $5 for lunch? Can you even get a Subway sandwich for $5 anymore? I don't know. You know what I'll probably have for lunch though, if I'm being honest with everybody? Probably a quesadilla. It'll probably be a quesadilla for lunch. California. Blake, very nice, man. A lot of people from California in here, very abstract. Clay, are there prints I can buy on the website? No, wait until we have to determine. You don't want this one. Wait until you have to determine where it's going to close at the end of the day. You want one of those. It's almost like a starburst pattern. I'd go with that one. These are just preliminary. We'll get the real good ones on the website soon. Morning, bro. What's up, Petey Pete? Clay, have they covered yet? No! Is this why it runs up? Stung. They have definitely not covered yet, man. A lot of Ohio traders on YouTube. Are there really? Who else is in Ohio? Tell me, because I only know like one. Clay, bro, Captain Ape, what's going on? Gary Raw, Bananas, Silverback favorites. Heck yeah, man. Of course, it sounds like something. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Thank you very much, Sorry, I forgot to say that today. Show me the boom boom candles. Let's see him. Richard was holding Doge. He must have been making some good money on Doge because it basically doubled in price over the last couple weeks. Ohio here. Michael, very nice. LeBron James is from Ohio. Yes, he is. Cleveland in the house. Nice, Juan Santiago. You're from Ohio as well, Callaway? Dude, a lot of people from Ohio. This is very cool. 20 minutes west of Cleveland. Leah, very nice. PA here. Strain, good deal. Clay is the only Ohio YouTuber that matters. McSlip on my nipple, man. Thank you very much for the confidence boost there. Shout out to Pringleton. Son Oliver watching Clay on his Xbox. I don't know who's watching on the Xbox, but thank you very much for watching on an Xbox. Josh is from Columbus. Very nice. Gabriel, not sure how to pronounce it there, is from Akron. Very nice, Gabriel. From Lexington, Kentucky, but I've been working in Cincinnati for the past month. Billy, good deal. Just got home from Ohio this morning. 10-hour drive. Spent the week in Mansfield. James, interesting, dude. Connecticut in the house. Dave Chappelle is from Ohio. Yes, Dave Chappelle is friends with Natalie. Clay, bro, I averaged up with a lot of shares to 36.80. Should I sell when I reach that price to average down in case it goes down? Moolah, you would be a day trader if you did that, man. It's up to you. I don't like day trading AMC. I don't like day trading really in general, but it's up to you, man. Dean Martin was from Ohio and was reincarnated. They're 32 years ago. I was born 32 years ago. Brett, tell me more. Tell me more, man. 36 incoming. Let's go, Jort. Texas in the building. A lot of Texas, California, and apparently Ohio in the building. Thank you, Crypto. Big smiles here. Pringleton. Was your son watching on Xbox or something? What was going on with that? Clay, real question. The shorts were covered with GME, and that's why there are barely any shares on loan. So why do people think it will squeeze again? It's not as shorted as before. Super Steven, I don't know the short interest that's out on AMC. It was very heavily shorted before, yes. And it could squeeze. I don't know the short interest, so I can't really directly compare it to AMC at this point. But it could definitely squeeze again if people don't sell the stock back. You can really squeeze. Like, if you get everybody holding to not sell the shares, the price goes up, right? And the fact that there's short interest out on it could allow the short squeeze to take place. So theoretically, any stock could short squeeze. Just the fact that AMC and GME have a huge community surrounding them that are willing to hold it is what a lot of people are looking forward to. Florida, it's hot. Am Cool Bacon Sean, it's definitely hot in Florida. Ohio, New York. Bobby Smith, you're in Ohio and New York? How? Quick, sing something. Let's see if it's you. I feel like I am discovering... Dude, it might be me. It might be me, Brett, but I can't. The pressure. The pressure. The pressure! That's why I don't sell Neo Wolf. That is also why I don't sell Oliver on his Xbox. Hence, that I wrote Oliver. Okay, time up. Okay, time up. I want my position in your list of favorites. Top 10, Crypto. Top 10 for sure, man. Everyone I know from Ohio hates it there. Super Steven, I love it here, man. I love it here. Come on, why would you hate it? I only hate it here when it's really cold and snowy. And then I don't even really hate it because I remind myself, oh yeah, I could live in California right now and I'd have to buy like a $3 million house. Do you think Wish gonna come back? Oh, sorry. It depends, man. That's a really volatile stock. My sister and her family live in Sugar Creek, Ohio. Very nice. Mr. Anything Tech. Sugar Creek, Ohio. All right. Mr. Anything Tech. Your sister's probably surrounded by a lot of Amish then, right? Can Nufo get a wrench and not have responsibilities? Dude, with great power comes great responsibilities, Nufo. You should know this by now. 750 deep now. Bought in the dip this morning. Bought the dip this morning. I'm trying to change my life. It can go up $1 a day. I retire next summer from the military, and I live in Miami. Great day. Go Apes. LeVar, let's do it, man. Ohio has affordable homes. Ohio does have affordable homes, man. You have double the audience now, Clay. Matthew! What's up, everybody? 400 people in here. How you doing this morning? Don't be shy. Say hello. Like, listen. I'm sure you've seen the stream before. If you haven't, say hello. If you have seen the stream before, also say hello. But anybody's first time in here, Amish might have her surrounded, but they're easy to outrun. Yes, dude. As long as you get at least 3 horsepower, you're going to be able to outrun them. Perhaps, except for Columbus. You need 400,000 to buy a garage. Well, don't live in Columbus then, man. Live somewhere else. Ready to take that ride? First, electric pickup truck. Ooh. Sounds dangerous, though. Electric pickup truck, does it have the power? Does it have everything you pickup truck drivers need? I got a little Kia Forte, dude. That's all I got. Good morning, bro. Carrie, good morning to you. Morning, Apes. Nini Waka, what's going on? Hello, how you doing? Woo woo, bought one more share. 989. Phineas, almost to 1,000. Hey, Clay, bro. Arc Raz, how you doing? Top 10 will do for now. I might have to move you up from my first place in anger, though. Crypto Rocketeer, you listen, man. Listen, you're doing good. The funny part is, I think Johan ranks like top 9, so. Just kidding. What's up, Clay? Welcome, Carlos. Carrie, how you doing? Yes, Jennifer. I'm late with a response, but Dave Chappelle is from D.C., not Ohio. Yeah, but he lives in Ohio, right, Anthony? Clay, hello. Oh, my goodness, Lauren. Good afternoon, darling. I hope that you are having an amazing day so far. Thank you. Jeevan, Pandy. Can you talk about Lucid? No, honestly, I can't talk about Lucid, dude. I don't know enough to talk about Lucid. Donnell, you riding in the Ford Lightning tonight? I'll be there. Let's go, man. Let's go. I want to see it. No shorts. I am wearing shorts. Morning. It's my first time. Ooh, it's my first time. Interesting, Tyler. Question. Everyone is asking how high can Mother of all short squeezes go? What does everyone think the minimum will be? Dude, Tyler, speaking of how high the Mother of all short squeezes can go, check out the video from last night, man. Made a video. How high it will go. Go check it out. Eat your hot out, Crypto. Ooh, Lauren in the house, baby. Lauren is in the house. Market Combat from northern Minnesota. Frank, man, glad to have you in here this morning. Hello, everyone. Hello, Clay. Hello, Lauren. 11 Mr. Simon. Hello to you, mom, man. How you doing? Good morning so far. Come on, everybody, hit that like button. Gary, thank you for reminding everybody to hit that like button. I'll talk about Lucid. Don't buy it. A best friend lost everything on Lucid. Super Steven, there you go. Talk about Lucid, man. I have never been in Lucid. I don't really know enough about Lucid to say anything about Lucid, so. Tyler, it depends on us to hold. It absolutely does. Sounds like Chris may have watched the video from last night. He might live in Ohio now, but I'm not sure. But when people say he's from somewhere, I take it as a real, gotcha, Anthony, gotcha. Yeah, that's true. Some people, I guess it depends on how long you've lived there, too. Like, I've always been in Ohio, so I can say I'm from Ohio. I currently live in Ohio. When would you guys change that? That's a good question. When would you change the where you're from answer? Do you have to live in a location a certain amount of time to start saying that you are from that location? Like, what are your thoughts on that? That's a good one. Let's say I moved to Florida and I've lived there 6 months. Do I say I'm from Ohio? What if I live there for the next 30 years? Do I say I'm from Florida? Interesting. 20 plus years. Trapper says 20 plus years. Then you say you're from there. Okay. Legit response. Wherever you live the longest, Tyler. Okay. Also good one. Hey, bro, a few weeks ago was my son's birthday, and he wanted some shares, which I got for him. 150 shares, Bobby. Come on. Or 100 shares, Bobby. We remember. The 100, right? Not 150. What you got for him? Now he's super excited. He's in the green by a lot. Now he's looking at exotic cars to buy. Oh, he's ready for the short squeeze, Bobby. He's ready. Ben chillin'. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Ben Chillin. I appreciate that. That is not an easy one to do. Ben Chillin, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. I appreciate the super stickers all day long, guys. Thank you. The longest you've been. It depends where your family is from. Yasser, okay. Where you were raised, Nini Waka. So we got a bunch of different responses in the chat, and I like all the answers, guys. I really do. Where you were raised, longest you've been. You say where you're originally from and also where you live now. You could also do that. It's an option. Where you were born. Interesting. I moved house 28 times in 42 years. I always say I'm Welsh. Otherwise, I'd be changing every 1.5 years. Pringleton. You've moved a lot, man. You've moved a lot. I grew up in Indiana, lived in California for a while. Back in Indy now. I've always said from Indy. Very nice, Chris. WTF, LM, Bobby, when Lambo, let's go, Wet Samsung, no shorts available, I like it. What time is the lava lamp giveaway, Clay, bro? Nufo. Never, dude, never. I would drink the lava water before I would give this bad boy away. The big GW in force. Let's go, Sherman. Haha, just loaded up and thought my video was lagging while you were cross-eyed. Carl, no, it was a super sticker, man. It was a super sticker. Clay, bro, who's the best YouTuber besides yourself, of course, covering AMC? Oh, man, dude. Everybody's got such a different approach. I honestly, you can find something in everybody that's covering AMC. Oh, honestly, man, you can find a different outlook and a different style in everybody that covers AMC. So that's very difficult to say, man. That's very difficult to say. Clearly, I like TMI and Short the Vix because they've let me on their stream before. So those are two cool dudes. I'm kind of partial to them because they've let me on their stream before. So I always appreciate that. You know, old school Ape Father making a lot of funny videos. I appreciate the funny videos, the entertainment factor in those. Yes. I don't know, man. Jay Ingram. I don't know if you guys watch Jay Ingram, but every time I watch Jay, I always leave that video, like, remember that super sticker face I just made a minute ago? I always leave that video like, what? What? So some people just, they want to leave you a little bit confused, you know? It's alright. Everybody's got their outlook. I'm doing all right, Lauren. How about yourself? Oh, when we cross in 36, we're going to oh, we already, dude, 36 is old news now. Natalie, no. Clay, no. Oh, yeah, Natalie, whatever. Yes. Thoughts on Sundial? Robert, man, I've got some Sundial in my portfolio. I think that in order to see Sundial go up, we're going to need the news to start talking about cannabis again, man. Really, the cannabis sector is very heavily reliant on like speculation and rumors and people talking about it in the news. So, and this is me personally, man. I was actually thinking about that this morning. Now, you guys may have different takes. Sundial just reported earnings. I think it was like Thursday or Friday, right? And they came out at $10 million. This company, zero debt. They had like 800 million Canadian dollars in the bank at some point. And they can do $10 million worth of revenue. And it makes me wonder, man. It makes me wonder because how do you have $800 million and you do $10 million worth of revenue with like no debt? I understand the Canadian market might be slightly different, but dude, you've got cartels out there who these dudes can like whittle two sticks together and sell $500 billion worth of weed in a year, and then Sundial can't sell $12 million worth of cannabis. Come on, Sundial, step up your game, dude. 37 incoming. We're going to get 37 already. Let's go. 36 money laundering. I'm from Toronto. Tell us about it, John. Toronto, man. What's it like? Is it that difficult to sell things in Canada, or what's the deal, man? We don't buy legal. Well, John, start, man. Start, because I got some Sundial. They need to increase their earnings. They need to increase their revenue. So start buying it legally. Clay, and never leave your lava on when you leave the house. They get hot. They do. They do get hot, but let's think about that for a second. They do get hot, okay? What's the worst that can happen if this thing got hot? It's glass. Even if it explodes, it's water. Like, if the light underneath, which is what gets hot, if that caught on fire, I feel like it would just be suffocated because this glass thing sits on it, and there wouldn't be any oxygen for the fire to breathe. Is this correct? Even if that light caught on fire, it's in an enclosed area, it would have no oxygen to breathe, the fire goes out. Really hot down here actually, but it's sitting on like a marble table. Don't risk it. The bulb does get hot. I'm just moving that right there. The bulb does get hot. Toronto fam in the house. Yes. What? Lava lamps get hot? Yes, they do. They really do get hot. Like, that's not terrible. That's kind of warm. That's really hot down here where the cord goes in. When you turn into chemistry lessons channel, Johan. About, I don't know, 29 seconds ago. What about the molten wax? Dude, the molten wax would just like pour out all over the floor, I think. I don't think it would do that much. Wrong. The short will happen at the socket. Well, even if it does, man, even if it does, I think it's just gonna like spark, right? And even if it just sparks, it's sitting on a marble table. Like this wall, I mean, yeah, it's pretty flammable being a wood wall, but I don't know, I feel like it's far enough out that if it did short right there, actually if it shorted on the socket way over there, I feel like it would just trip the breaker and we'd be fine. Although, that chair, if it did spark well enough, that chair right there is flammable. Interesting. War versus teleprompter at 2:30 CST. Clay Bros, what Samsung? War versus teleprompter. Oh. Now I think I understand what you're talking about. Versus the teleprompter. Good deal. Clay, they trying to get you electrocuted. John, I know, man. It's crazy, isn't it? If the cord gets too hot, it could cause an electrical fire. We don't want that. Now, do we? Nobody wants that. What if the wax is scented? You can drink the water and find you still have a lovely lavender candle. This is true, Brett. What if the wax is scented in there and nobody ever knew? I had a space heater catch fire at the outlet. No more space heaters for me. What in the outlet caught fire, though? What in the outlet caught fire? Because typically, if there's some sort of a short, you trip the breaker, right? I guess if you didn't trip the breaker, it would melt the plastic in the outlet. Or I know there's paper surrounding the wiring, so technically, it could catch the paper around the wiring on fire. I feel like that would burn up pretty quick, though. A little bad fire, Natalie? Or like a small one? The fire. Think of all the likes. Yes, man. Think of all the likes if that happened. How you doing today, my guy? Hassan, I'm doing great. How you doing today, my guy? At this point, I don't know what would happen. I'd keep an extinguisher close by just in case. Got it right here, man. I'll blow it out with this water. Any interesting call options? There's always interesting call options. Are you buying on AMC or what? I know my man... Oh, M. James, are you still in here? You got shares of NOAV or you got call options on NOAV? Hey, Clay, hope you had it. No, you must have shares because you said you were getting out at 4. Did it hit 4? Hey, bro, just curious. You still holding a position in BNG? No, I do not have any BNGO right now. And M. James is still in NAOV. He is not sold yet. It's 393 was the top. Just get fire insurance and you're good. Heck yeah, man. Hopefully they cover lava lamps. AMC, bro, been in since February. Richard, very nice, man. Look, there's always interesting call options on AMC because at any given point, AMC could squeeze. We know that. But what I would want to see before you really get into call options, though, we need to break out of the downtrend. If you're going to get call options, we need to break out of the downtrend, man. And on a daily chart, we are doing that today. So we need to sustain, we need to close this high or higher. And then we could be looking very good bottoming out here and getting out of the downtrend if we can keep that up. So that'd be what I was looking for if you're thinking about getting into any call options. Or, hey, man, if you want to play it today before we sustain the move upside, like if you're a riskier investor and you want to try and do something, hey, man, cool. What about Roblox? Will that thing explode in today's after hours? They got earnings today, or why would they explode in after hours? I'm going to say Clay. Randy, I missed it. What's up, Randy? How you doing? Brett, I know they don't always want to lay on my feet, though. I'm a girl. We all have cold feet. What, a dog? Get a dog or a cat? What are we talking about there? Like the outlet and the prongs were literally melting and burning from the heat off the space heater. It was bad. Dang, dude. How would that not... If it was just melting the prongs, I feel like there would have to be a short somewhere, though, man, that wasn't tripping the breaker if it was going to melt the prongs like that on the actual outlet. Hit the like button. Listen to Lauren and hit that like button. I'll lay on your feet. Natalie, if you're sick of cold feet, there you go. Neo Wolf, Natalie. Natalie, Neo Wolf. Cold feet problem fixed right there. By speaking today, thoughts. Yes, I hope he can manage his thoughts while he's speaking today. Where can I get a bro shirt? I saw Rogue the Legacy wearing one. It looks cool. 1111 Mr. Simon. Playbro.com. You can get one. Or if we do one of the giveaways, man, you always got a chance of winning one. But if you want to buy one, absolutely. And since you have a... Did you see Transparency Projects? If you got a custom name, man, and you want to customize, if you're a green name, you can get it customized too. Neo, better fall back. Natalie is mine. Ooh, we got it starting in the chat. Neo will fall back. Beck says Natalie, he will be the one keeping the feet warm. Blythe, LOL. We're laughing at something then, right, man? Was it the thoughts comment or which one now? I would hit that like button again, Lauren. No. Only hit it once. If you hit it twice, make sure to hit it 3 times. Yeah, make sure it's filled in if you do hit the like button. Don't get crazy now and unlike the like button. That would be just nonsense. Don't do that. Alright, let's see what we got going on here, guys. 36, decent resistance today, right? We don't need no resistance on AMC. Let's get rid of that bad boy. There we go. We got a nice chart going now. Uptrend still intact. I was in Transparency Live Space on Twitter last night. It was cool. Good deal, 11 on Mr. Simon. I've only participated in a couple of those space calls. Well, I've actually never talked in any of them. I've only ever sat in a couple of them. Average 38.50. I think I might cry if I finally break even at some point today. Chris! Don't cry in front of your coworkers, dude. Don't cry in front of your coworkers. They might think something. I'm always cold. I don't need help with that, though. What do you mean? Lauren, I sent you a hoodie, so hopefully you did need some sort of help with that. Hit the like button 2 times, and then so my like stays there. If you've already liked it, then yes, hit it 2 times. If you haven't liked it yet, only hit it once or 3 times. Just get your phone fixed. Billy! It was fixed for like a week, man, and now it says it's wet again. If you fix your hair, I think we see more green. Kenny doesn't think you're ready for the market today. No disrespect. How does the hair get fixed, man? Like this? Does that look better? I can't. Like it's hard to just like look over and see and then do it at the same time. It's difficult. Does it look better now? I hope it does. Hey, bro, do you think squeeze will still happen? Will happen next year? Sammy, it can happen this year, man. The Clay Bro shirts and hoodies are great quality. Order some more soon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nini Waka among the very first to order. Thank you very much, Nini. I will never forget that. Shares left to borrow on AMC. I don't have those numbers right now. If anybody else does, I know NT keeps up on that on the Ortex data. So NT, if you got some numbers out there, let us know, man. I don't like talking on Twitter space. Transparency Project mentioned me a few times, so I did not say anything. Good deal, Loud on Mr. Simon. It's easier that way, isn't it? Crypto, I don't know, man. I don't know. I wasn't there. Retest 36, baby. Let's go, Denny. Yeah, that's it. All better. Blake, good deal, man. Invest in Poke Party before it's too late. NFT minting is going live. Get your Party Ape NFTs before it's too late. Also, listing is coming on the 20th of August. Join Poke Party. Hey, man, somebody was just pumping Poke Party. That's all right. Doesn't mean you have to do it. Transparency surrounding that. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Need to walk a good deal. Yeah, Clay Bro, if you have 200,000 in the money calls, what is the chance that all of them are exercised? I don't know. So you could probably look up some information on, like, in general, how often do people exercise call options. I know that they would typically just sell those for profit before exercising. Especially, guys, if you exercise call options at $40, you're looking at what? Dropping $4,000 on AMC. All of a sudden, you got 10 contracts. You're trying to drop $40,000. I know there's a lot of people that trade options that never have intentions of exercising those options. Did it 5x? Did it 5? Oh man, I only saw it once. Don't do it 5 times, man. I'll read it. Don't worry. Yeah, my hoodie will definitely work. Okay. Good. Good, Lauren. At least I'm doing my job then. AMC is really trading on fundamentals today. Holding supports. Nice, Justin. And trending nice. Higher highs, higher lows. I get it. Everyone wants to make some tendies, but wish everyone was on board to make history. Seems like day traders are holding us back. If only we can suit up and ride the rocket to Pluto. Nufo. Dude, nobody would have to buy another. If everybody currently holding AMC, because there's not like more shares are going to be issued, right? If everybody currently holding AMC just stopped selling it, we would go to the moon. It's not like we have to go and continue eating up all these shares and driving the price higher. If everybody holding stop selling right now, day traders, FOMO buyers who are afraid that it's going to go down, institutions, high frequency traders, if they just flip the switch off and nobody sold, we would go to the moon. So it's crazy to me too that people just, that 4.1 million people out there who could watch this thing go ballistic won't do it. Difficult. Come on, guys. Think about it. Day trade, but I'm loyal. So hodl, Trina, very nice. Short interest 19.2. Utilization 92.53. Thank you very much, Rudy, with the numbers out there. Appreciate that. Forgot I'm on a 5-minute chart. We still bullish on my screen. Nice, dude. 5-minute chart. I do prefer 5-minute charts. 1-minute charts are more fun to watch while you're doing this. This is looking excellent right now. Oh, wow. 5-minute chart looks excellent, dude. Shoot. Around 100 utilization. AMC was around 70-ish. We'll get there. We'll get there, ladies and gentlemen. Do not be worried. Yes, Lauren, I like your hellos. Don't be mad. I like Lauren's hellos, too. I think everybody likes Lauren's hellos. So for 46 in Crypto Rocketeer, man, I hope we hit 46 for sure. 15 minutes looks even better. What does the 15-minute look like? I don't have 15-minute bars on here. Yeah, I do. 15 minutes. Ah, dude, 15-minute looks just like 5-minute. Yeah, 15-minute looks just like 5-minute. At least to me. 5-minute charts. All I watch. Neil Wolf. Good. I left it on 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, 5 minutes is what I typically watch, but just watching the candles take place on a 1-minute chart, probably a little bit more exciting while you're on YouTube, right? Wow, Lauren got new hair. Rudy! She did. Thanks for noticing. Lauren, Rudy noticed that you got new hair. Lauren wants a silverback. Buy more odd lots. Yes, buy more odd lots. All right, what's up, Barbara? How you doing? GameStock's currency? Yeah, it looks exactly the same to me. I don't know about you guys. Are you still Johan? What price are you in at? What's going on, Johan? Are you still in here? We need to know, Han, about Johan. Come on, man. Let's go, Han. 36. Let's get back above 36. The line on the chart, that little green line is 36. How old are you, bro? Pretty sure I'm 32. How old are you, bro? Yes, I did. Thanks for noticing. Looks good, too, doesn't it? Rudy. Looks good, too. All right, 36. We are above 36 right now. Looking very nice right now, guys. Who wants 37? I don't even want to sit in this $36 range. I want 37 on the chart right now. 34, bro. Sammy! Very nice. Good age. I like it. After the squeeze, I'm going to Africa and going to pay for a well to be made so a village has better access to clean water. Blake! Good deal, man. I like it. Any particular village you've got picked out? Looks great. It does look great, Rudy. I would agree with you on that one. Headstock Harlem Apes must collect. AMC. I like the acronym there. Very good. 48 common. Age? Price? Age? Ah, man, I think I might have missed something. I'm about to retire at 19. Fit with Rich. Good deal, man. Get retired at 19. That sounds perfect. Hey, what's the deal today? You think it will be soon? I do. Barbara, I sure hope it's soon. No particular village. All of them. I'll pray about it. Good deal. Sounds great, Blake. Can they cover in dark pools to lower the chance of the mother of all short squeezes? Yes, they can absolutely cover in dark pools, but a lot of people out there are pushing this idea that dark pool prices do not get reflected on what we see. They absolutely do. A dark pool price hits the books within seconds of the trade taking place. Your and I trades hit the books before they're executed, right? That's the only difference. 38 would be great. Dude, 38 would be amazing. Retesting that 36. Let's do it, guys. Let's bust all the way to 37 right now. Not complaining about it going up, but gonna buy more, and zoom, it goes up. And I bet when I buy, it will tumble. At Mr. R, don't buy anymore, man. Just let it run. Let it run for us. We need you. Clay, hello, brother. I heard you wanted 37 by end of day. Don't worry, I got you. Eric, let's do it, man. I love it. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Do I get a wrench when AMC hits 51 this week? Nufo, if it hits 51 this week, yeah, man, I would definitely consider a wrench at 51 this week. I'd be happy with that. Might just pass out free wrenches to everybody at that point. 100 people have not spanked the like button, as Greta Thunberg said. How dare you? Guys, click the little X on the live chat. Close it out. Click the like button. Click on live chat again, and then you'll be right back in the live chat. I don't know how many likes we have. Typically, it's very difficult for me to break 200 likes. So let's get as many likes as possible and make me happy. Because I heard if we get above 300 likes, AMC was going to go to $37. Eric promised. 46 shares left to buy, and I will be at my goal. Mr. R, very nice, man. You deserve a large community joining your channel, but happy it's not a couple thousand because you're still able to interact with Blake, I can still interact with everybody. Listen, man, I can, like, when you say 232, 240, 240, like, I don't have to read all of those. I can just skim through those and read all that stuff. So, yeah, man, if there were 1,000 people in here, I could still keep up. Like, if it was, like, 50,000, that might be pretty difficult, man. But there's a lot of stuff that emojis, numbers, like, some of that stuff is, you don't have to read that out loud. But I can still definitely interact with everybody as it goes up, man. 254. Let's go! 254. Let's go to 300. Eric said if we get to 300 likes, he's taking the AMC all the way to $37. Refresh, refresh, refresh. I did it for you. Might even subscribe. Nick, dude, if you subscribe, look, man, your name goes right here. Tolly West, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. David Raymond, thank you for being the last member to join the channel. I appreciate that. Nick, if you want your name right here, dude, all you gotta do is click that subscribe button, and I'll say thank you. What the heck? Stop selling chimps. Yeah, man. Chimps. Stop selling, guys. Salvatore Piazza is in here. I love that dude's name, man. I think I might change my name post-squeeze to Salvatore Piazza. Hashtag facts, Clay, bro. I love it. Eric, you got my back, man. Not selling Neo Wolf. Keep it. Pizza, Doc. Pizza. For sure. I'm going to buy it for 40,000. Joel is not messing around. 265. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. Let's go all the way to 300. If I remember correctly, pre-POF payment for order flow trades on TD was about $5. So if I divide a 100 share buy into 10 separate orders, it sounds like $50 worth of value lost on their end. No. Grinning. Yeah, and yes, you're correct, man. Prepayment for order flow, we were looking at roughly $4.95 commission per trade. Before that, before all these brokers started competing, it was $10. It was like $9.95 per trade. So, yeah, unless you're going to go out there and you're trading on commission, unless you're going to go out there and you're going to buy a decent chunk, imagine trying to add a share a day in AMC or slowly stepping in at this point. And especially if you were doing it in the $8 range. Remember, if you're buying $8 shares of AMC sporadically throughout the day, or you're buying $8 shares of AMC, one day at a time, and you're paying $5 commission on every $8 share, that share is costing you $13. And don't forget, you have to pay the commission when you sell it too. So it gets crazy, man. It gets crazy unless you got a very large account size that you're working with there. Whataburger, the Grand Mac, the Whopper, liked and subscribed. Pat, thank you. Your name is right here. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. And clicking the like button, Pat. I appreciate it very, very much. You got your name on the top of the screen until somebody else decides to take that name from you and subscribe to the channel. Well done, Greta. Making a difference for Clay's like count. Thank you very much, Greta. I appreciate that. Miss Thornburg, doing it right. Doge back at 34. Justin, Doge is on a rip these last couple of days, aren't they? 273 Crypto Rocketeer. Let's take it all the way to 300. Whataburger would be a good name. It would be a good name. What do we got going on here? Let's see. I gotta go get me some food. Catch y'all later. Mr. R. Catch you later, man. I'll catch you outside. How about that? Getting close. Let's go to 300, man. Let's go. AMC's going down. The least you guys can do is click the like button, right? So let's see. This actually... Yeah, this level right here. So we do... It seems like we got a decent channel forming, though. In this area to this area. So, looks like this uptrend may be dead for the moment. And let's see here. We may need to... Why is that not? Alright, we may need to lessen that out. Yeah, that looks like a decent trend line. Watch that bad boy hold up, but hopefully we don't get stuck in this little channel for the rest of the day. That is not what I want to see. I want to continue to the upside. This looks like a dangerous area in here. If we continue this, oh my god, we're breaking down now. Purple line did nothing. This looks like it would be a dangerous area in here. Come on, AMC. What are you doing falling through that little channel? I don't like it. Getting close. Thomas, boy, what's going on? Thomas, man, how's your day going so far? Hopefully it is going well. Bobby, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Getting your name up the top of the screen. Bobby562. Appreciate that subscribe, man. Appreciate it all day long. Actually, we got Bobby, Nick Huber, Aubrey Baker, Arnold Langett, Philip, Mark, Arpit, Tolly, Debbie, not Ben Chillin. You guys, subscribe. Debbie, Tolly, Arpit, Mark, Philip, Arnold, Aubrey, Nick, and Bobby subscribed in like the last 15 minutes. So guys, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. If I did not catch your name earlier, I got it now. And I will tell you this. It seems like the chat is frozen. Are any of you guys actually typing anything? Because I have not seen anything come across the screen since Neo Wolf said freaking day traders. So maybe it's working again now. I guess there was nobody in the chat between Thomas's laughing faces and Neo Wolf. I don't know. Chillin' in Happy Valley, Oregon. Very nice, Thomas. Test. All right, Denny, that test seems to be working. No one was typing. 350 people out there just sleeping. AMC Trapper, you gotta wake these guys up, man. You gotta wake these guys up. What are they doing? Sexy Bro Clay, what's up, Andy? How you doing, man? GameStock's currency, LOL, it is correct. Oh, man, I can't believe it. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Rudy, thank you, your live chat. Got a volatility hog. Xavier, it must have, man. I was like, nobody's saying anything, and it's like 30, 40, 50 seconds, and nobody's typing. This is unusual. What happened? Like, did I not get caught up in the rapture, or am I the only one left here? Like, what's going on? Welcome back, Lauren. Lauren is here. Hello, Lauren. How are you? It's raining here in Ohio, Lauren. What's the weather like over there in the UK right now? It's lunchtime. Yeah, man, but you can eat that burrito. You can stuff your face with that burrito and type with the other hand. You know you can. If we squeeze, I buy Clay. Seriously, a new car. Denny! New Kia Forte, man. What are we talking here? It's just like, fill my tank up, man. Just give me some gas. My gas tank will last me like a month. We'll be good. We'll be good, dude. And a CC005 to be implemented by September 11th. The only thing on September 11th that I am like, okay, well, the only like of concern. No, clearly there's several things of concern. Excited about would be singing Happy Birthday to Lauren. Do you have Ortex for AMC? Justin, I do not have Ortex, man. NT has got Ortex. Seemingly, NT helps us out with the Ortex data a lot. And there's a couple other guys in here that may have Ortex. If you do, get the numbers out there right now. Let's see it. I've been yelling. You didn't hear me. Nufo, I did not. Keep the keyboards clean, y'all. Do it, man. If you drop your burrito down there, just put a napkin over the keyboard or something. Or don't eat over the keyboard while you're eating lunch. Happy birthday, Lauren. Yes, I will be singing happy birthday. Not yet, guys. September 11th. She's still got like a month. Let's go. Need more hype? Yeah, I think I do need more hype. Yo, Clay, when is Short Squeeze? Andy, soon. Short Squeeze will be happening soon, my friend. 0 shares to borrow. Not exactly sure. Clay, don't go anywhere. A gas tank last. Yeah, Clay, don't go anywhere. A gas tank lasts in a month. Dude, I don't go anywhere. Where would I go? Where would I go, man? I'm chained to this chair. You guys can't see the bottom half, man. I'm chained to the chair. I literally can't go anywhere. Clay, I went to watch one of your videos from about 6 months ago, and your hair was absolutely hilarious. Crypto Rocketeer, which one, man? Typically the hair is like always the same though. Clay, stop yelling. Jack Stack Silver! You stop yelling, man. Come on now. Oh, my fault. I bet. I don't even know what's your fault, dude. It's alright. Oh, happy birthday. Yeah, not today. September 11th. Clay, none of this stuff phases me, but a nice green day is very welcome. You know why it don't phase you? Do it. Because you're built different, man. Don't phase me either. We're built different, bro. Del Toro, 35. Nice. No, we want 36. Nice. 36 is better. Show us the chains. I can't, man. I can't even, like, get off the ground because they got me chained to the chair. Days, not weeks. Weeks, not months. Jared, I hope as soon as possible, man, but I really have no idea when it's going to happen. Soon. I mean, maybe end of August or September. Manjeet, I would hope so. But everything's got to fall into place, and we need nobody selling the stock, which people are clearly selling the stock. I love Virgos, second best sign. Second to Gemini, right? Hey, Clays. Hey, Lex. How you doing, man? Here, I forgot to say, good job on the Back to Basics video for new apes. Great stuff. How about one explaining ape language? Pringleton, that could be an interesting video, actually. That could be an interesting one, because a lot of people, especially if they're new, they could get pretty confused about some of the really weird things that people talk about. So, yeah, that could be a decent video, man. Is Short Squeeze high? Or you get any glossary definitions right now that you would want explained? Do you believe when market will crash? Gene Damien, man. I don't know if the market's going to crash, right? There's a lot of people out there telling you that the market's going to crash because it's hitting all-time highs. Just because it's hitting all-time highs doesn't mean that it has to crash, though. Play, bro, did you stop by your P.O. box? Jack Stacks! No, not over the weekend, man. I did not do it over the weekend. I didn't really do anything over the weekend. Should I stop by there today? Like, should I go on break while it's raining since I can't sit on the patio and go stop by? What's the deal? Was something delivered? Subsea sniffers, I'm here. Diffy Dog, what on earth are you talking about? Ooga Booga grinning, what's going on? Hey, Clay, bro, will you sing for my birthday too? Newfo, absolutely, man. Clyde, thank you for the super chat, Clyde. Let's see what Clyde's got to say, man. Listening while I'm at work. Thanks for staying on top of the price action. AMC to the moon. Clyde, I really appreciate the super chat, man. Thank you very much. We are always staying on top of it here. And dude, tell me right now, you got headphones in, or are you working from home and you get the speaker on? We need to know, Clyde. We need to know. Because I want to know how the headphone users take it when out of nowhere I scream something like, Clyde, thank you for the super chat. Like, does it bust your ears? Or what's the deal with that one? It's sunny, but a little cloudy. Tia is hating this walk today. I'm literally dragging her down the street. Bless her. Man. Tia doesn't know what she has, does she? Tia doesn't know what she has. Darn it, Tia, come on. Good luck explaining what diamond nuts are. Mr. Enormous. I can explain it. Clay bro, yes. I'll have to do it then, Jack Stacks. I'll have to go check it out. New rule, and then maybe I can do it before the afternoon live stream too. Clay bro, neck hair. Let's use the landscape mower there. Del Toro. Like right in here, man. Just take one of those billy goats and try to get it down. You guys told me to go full squatch, though. You guys told me to go the squatch squeeze. Squeeze squatch. Squeeze squatch is what you were calling me. Yeah, Lauren, you weren't here the other day. They were telling me, and it was... I don't think Natalie was here either. Like, nobody was here to tell me that's a bad idea. They said to go full-on squeeze squatch. They said, like, be like all hair. Just let it go until the squeeze. I said we could do squeeze stash, where we just get a mustache going on. But we could also do squeeze stubble, and then we could keep things kind of normal with squeeze stubble. Anybody got any recommendations? Squeeze squatch, squeeze stash, or squeeze stubble? Diamond nuts are what chipmunks eat. That is exactly what my chipmunk eats. Diamond nuts, baby! AMC forming a Viagra pattern today. A Divvy Dog. It might be, man. It might be. I've not heard of the Viagra trading pattern. It's gorillas have neckbeards too. Gorillas do have neckbeards. Too itchy. Nah, dude. Once you get past a certain point, it's not itchy at all, man. It's not itchy at all. Love Viagra patterns. Good deal, man. What do we got? What's that link to, man? I can't click on it. That hair clay. Dude, I can't click on that link right now. What video is it? Just tell me which one it is. I might remember it. There's not enough landscaping equipment in the world that could clean up that. Just playing, Clay. Dude, it's probably true, though, man. It's probably true. What's that thing that Matt sponsors or is sponsored by? The razors? Manscaped? Dude, I should do a Manscaped review and then just have that thing burn up in my neck. Just have it, like, completely burn up and short out in my neck. Manscaped, if you're watching right now, send me one and I'll do a review on it. If it can handle the neck beard, it can handle anything. So I say, it's the ultimate test right now. Not cutting my hair till the squeeze. Gotta learn patience. Aubrey Baker, good deal. I am gonna have to cut my hair at some point before the squeeze. Beard, we might be able to let that go. Manscaped, yeah, I would probably fry up in my neck beard, dude. Beck, man, good deal, man. I don't know if we needed to know that, but I feel like we all know a little bit more now that we know that. So thank you for sharing that. Manscaped Grown commercial is hilarious. I don't know if I've seen that one. I got Manscaped, decent but overpriced. You'd wreck it. Pringleton, nice, man. Like, can you copy and paste from your beard to the... What? Can you copy and paste from your beard? No, Divvy Dog. I will not be copying and pasting anything there. I don't know about that. Claybro, live Manscaped from head to toe tutorial. Live or, like, just a video? Oh, man. I don't even got a beard. Yeah, does Matt just shave every day, though, or does he not have a beard? I don't know. Well, every time I watch Matt, it's, like, slightly blurry, so I don't know why, but... Claybro, Kenneth Griffin is not my dad. Citadel is also not your dad. And Janet Yellen is also not your dad. Good deal, Jack Stack Silver. I really want to know your dad, though. I really want to know. Moon, let's go, Jones. Yo, good morning, my fellow apes. Man, my body's in pain. I went roller skating for the first time in 20 years. I want to go roller skating on the moon. Dude, that would be sweet. I have not been roller skating in a very long time. I imagine... Does it use that many muscles to roller skate, though? I forget. It's been... Dude, I haven't been roller skating in a long time. Everyone needs to clock out for lunch. No, stay clocked in for lunch and just eat your lunch on the clock. Lava lamp needs to change color. Diffy dog. That would be impossible, man. Orange liquid is inside the glass. It cannot change color. It's not the light that does it. It's the liquid that does it. Your body will be sore. Shoot, I should buy a pair of rollerblades. Video was a short clip. The video was a short clip explaining the short and less one. Oh, okay, I remember that one then. Yeah. A short on shorts. Just been before a haircut. Really high on your head. Okay, I remember that video actually. I don't remember what I looked like in the video, but I remember the video. It was vertical, right? Short squeeze explained in less than a minute. Gotta be vertical. Shorts say skating will never come back like going to the movies. Imagine that. And now, y'all, he's been caught skating, so everything is making a comeback. Good morning, Claybro and the Chipmunk crew recovering from COVID. Miss Harris, oh no, been listening while recovering. Be safe and God bless y'all. I'm glad that you are recovering. We do not need anybody staying sick. So thank you very much for being in here and listening while you were recovering from COVID. Hopefully, we made you laugh a couple times, and you're doing very well now because stuff sucks, man. He bought his lava lamp from Wish. No, I did not, Del Toro. I think I bought it at Spencer's like 20 years ago, man. You can change the color if you were to add food coloring. I did it as an experiment when I was a kid. Ben Chilling, yeah, but if you, listen, man, if you pop the top on a lava lamp, look, if you pop the top on the lava lamp, I don't think you can get that bottle cap back on, can you? I don't think you can get that back on, man. I don't want to break my lava lamp. Is AMC currently squeezing? No. No, it is not currently squeezing. What's really frustrating is when Clay wears a hoodie that is not available on the merch website. Diffy Dog. Yeah, dude, that should be a little... I love this hoodie, though. This is, like, one of the best hoodies ever. Exclusive, man. Exclusive. This hoodie would be expensive, though. If it was on the site, this hoodie would be a little expensive, because this was... It's not that cheap to get this hoodie, though. It's a very nice hoodie. I would recommend getting one. Alternative Apparel is who sells the hoodie, like who makes it. So I would recommend getting it if you guys like soft hoodies. But drew a small hole in the cap. Ben chillin', and it didn't do anything. It was like completely fine. AMC squeezes. How many of you quitting your 9-to-5 jobs? Not me. Technically, I can't, right? We just need 46 to rip, right? Jack, you were hanging out in Matt Core's live stream this morning, weren't you? Is that where you got that 46 number, man? We can look at that in a minute if you want, but... Is that where you got the 46? Spencer's awesome store. In my day, it was called Barefoot Mailman. I am showing my age here. Del Toro, I've never seen a store called Barefoot Mailman. You look tired. Long night. Do I look tired? No, it was actually a long night of sleep. I did already. No pension. Quit him. Quit him, Abheck. Abheck. Quit my job 2 weeks ago. So, you already quit pre-squeeze. I like it, man. Quitting, Mr. R. Very nice. Anyone remember Barefoot Mailman in malls? It was the Spencer's of the day. Where's Spencer's? M. Connolly. I have no idea if Spencer's, like, still exists or not. I got this lava lamp like 20 years ago. Clay, check your Twitter DM. Okay, I will check the Twitter DM. Oh, yeah, dude. That's some good hair. That's some good hair. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I like that hair. Get above your purple line. Let's get back above the purple line, guys. Come on. What is this downtrend back below 35? Look at this channel. How this line's holding up here. Come on. We got to clear this up now because all that stuff's nonsense. This is what we're dealing with. This channel, great. And isn't that exactly what we wanted? Sideways channel the rest of the day after having a beautiful morning, up like 7%. Get rid of your trend line. Kenny's watching. Yeah, we got rid of the trend line, man. Cleared it up. Now we just got a channel in here. I could be a barefoot mailman. Mr. Normus, you could be a barefoot mailman, dude. Are you a barefoot mailman? Oh, Mr. Normus, good question. So, Amazon packages that are delivered by the post office on a Sunday, how does that work? Because the post office doesn't deliver on Sundays, right? Or do you strictly, like, does the post office have a contract with Amazon that they deliver Amazon packages on Sunday? Like, what's the deal with that? Because the post office delivered an Amazon package yesterday, and I was confused by it. Spencer's, it does. Clay, buy the stuff in the back of the store. Edible underwear and objects, you know. Del Toro, that is good advice, man. Always, and then if you've got that kind of stuff on, you'll never be stranded in a situation. Might disintegrate, but never be stranded. Post office has a contract with Amazon. Okay, so they like exclusively deliver on Sunday for them then? Only deliver Amazon on Sunday. Gotcha. I was wondering about that, man, because you guys Amazon must have a lot of stuff going on Sunday, because I was like, this dude's out here delivering on Sunday, but he's driving the post office truck. I didn't know if they had a contract with Amazon or what the deal was with that, because I didn't think the post office was even open on Sunday. Fleece hoodie alternative repair is 45. Parents worked forever. Or no post. Okay, no. That fleece hoodie that was Amazon is 45, man. Cheap. Dude, that's still kind of expensive. That's not that cheap, dude, for a hoodie. Come on now. And then I'd have to like reship it. It's not that cheap. It's kind of expensive, right? Well, Del Toro, man, I guess you're always safe if you're wearing something like that. Have you heard of the Jeffrey Bezos song? Yes, I've heard the Jeffrey Bezos song. Something, 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. If Amazon gets any more powerful, we'll all be doomed. Amazon is a very powerful company. Yes, 46 was mentioned by Matt Clay. I always figured we need 20s for a hedge fund to buy back, thus squeeze. Let's check it out, man. Let's see where we're at for this 46 thing. Kind of where he's getting that number. $46. I don't know, man. I could see why he would be saying 46 with a little resistance here, and then in this area, and then back in this area. But I mean, if we break 46, this is going to be a tough range right here. So if we break 46, it's not just going to rip higher. And I know he made the comment like back here, right? This 1450, where are we at? Oh no, this was January. So this 1450 level, right, that we couldn't break past. There was a difference in breaking this 1450 level and why we ripped, because the only resistance beyond that was this little area right in here, 17 to 20 bucks. So when we finally did break, and we had this day right here where we tested 20, I mean, when we broke this, we ripped, okay? We just had a lot of strong sentiment coming on in here. Now, if we break that 46, there's a slight difference. Because if we break this 46 level, right, we've got a very strong level of resistance in here in this $55 to $60, well, I'll call it 55. Might be a little lower. But in this $55 to $65 range, there's a lot of resistance that we would need to break through. I mean, we could rip from 46 to 56, but as far as ripping to brand new highs, we got to break this area. So I'm on board with 46, but it's not going to be like a rip straight to the moon post 46. USPS delivers 7 days. Adjust the office is closed. Do they really deliver 7 days? I've never gotten any mail from the post office on Sunday though. From my mod family, Mr. R something, Lauren. I was thinking the same crypto rocketeer. Hey Dixie something. All right, good conversations going on between you guys. Good deal, dude. It's a joke. We're going to end up red. A buck breaking the retail trader across the whole market. Yeah, dude. That's why you gotta hold out, man. That's why you gotta hold out. This isn't some get rich quick scheme. 35 major resistance, then 36 and 40 is Mount St. Helen. Patience, guys. Hey, Claude, I'm in my 50s already. I wish I was still in my 30s. 30s are nice, dude. 50s will be nice too, though. Your chart on AMC, what is the time set at? We should see a rip with no shorts left. Why the downtrend now? It's a 1 minute chart, man. 1 minute downtrend. Riptide, what's going on, man? Good afternoon to you. How are you? Awesome. Just subscribed. Jack, thank you very much for subscribing. We can confirm, right? Where's he at? Jordan. Jordan is the latest subscriber. Jack, you might have your subscription set to private if you did just subscribe. In a meeting, but listening. Brett, thank you for the update. Hopefully your meeting is going well. Wait, in a meeting, but watching. No idea what Clay is saying. You're just watching my mouth move. I like it. I say whatever AMC closes at today is what Clay sells the hoodie he is wearing for. Mr. R, that's a terrible idea. Peak of the squeeze, man. I'll sell the hoodie off my back for the peak of the squeeze. To one lucky guy, one lucky girl can have this hoodie right here for 1 share of AMC. Peak of the squeeze price. Clay, and we get some subtitles for Brett. I have no idea. Can we get some subtitles for Brett? How do I get subtitles on here? No idea. Blue everywhere. I like blue everywhere, guys. And Natalie, crypto rocketeer. Wait, animated. Okay, got that one. Cool. You have the best live chat because you get to all the messages. Thank you, Mike G. Thank you for being in here. I don't know, man. I enjoy it. I think that's why we're live, right? You guys can watch the chart by yourself. You guys can watch the chart by yourself all day long. Live's about interaction, isn't it? Man, I've been asking for free merch for 6 months. Dippy dog, man, it's tough, ain't it? It's tough. Is Clay still here? Clay is still here, yes, I am still here. 45 for the hoodie, plus 15 for Clay Bro, a rocket, plus 10 for shipping, plus 25 Sysbro labor, 70 plus 25 tax. Yeah, I will get you a hoodie for 70. No tax. I won't even charge you tax on it. But $70 hoodie is expensive, man. $70 hoodies. Oh man, I done rubbed my eye. Now it's red. That was a bad mistake. I should not have done that. Oh, I hate when my eye itches. Can I get a sheesh? Blake, I don't do sheeshes, man. I don't do sheeshes. Sheeshes. Hey, I had to try. Mr. R. Definitely worth a try. Always worth a try. 28,000 more on AMC. Stephanie GH. Very nice. Clay will probably turn his hoodie into an NFT, which would sell for millions. $1 million. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Slipper Jones. We got Slipper Jones in here? Slipper Jones, you in here, man? Natalie wants to know. Lauren, I was complaining about being too cold all the time, and now I am boiling. Anyone want to bring me a drink? Okay, let's watch how many people jump on this one. If they're willing to sit on your feet, they're willing to bring you a drink. So yes, they definitely, Lauren, people will...
Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
Google even wants to bring you a drink, Lauren. Even Google wants to bring you a drink. What's Sippy Cup today? I don't know where we got. Slip Jones is in here, but what are you talking about? My Sippy Cup right here? Oh, you talking about? I don't know. Catch y'all later. Got to get back to the job. I'll be quitting soon. Good deal, Mr. R. Keep up the good work while you're there. When we go to the moon and beyond. Yes, very important note. Never itch your nose and eyes when you've been cutting chili pepper. Facts, dude. Facts. I did that when I was in North Carolina a couple weeks ago. I don't think I scratched my nose. I scratched my eye for sure. Dude, that was bad news. That was bad news. Hey, bros. Nick F in the chat. What a pleasure to have Nick F here today. What's going on, Nick F? Yes, no RX Cup or Spidey. Del Toro, I'm telling you, man, I don't have any coffee right now, so I'll spend no coffee cup. Want people to love me the same way people love Slipper Jones. Mix slip on my nipple, you're getting there, dude. They will. They will. Anyone can own a crypto coin company here, thousands of apes. Yes, you could probably do that. Alam. One of those girls on IG to post, someone come bring me food. They post that? The girls post that on Instagram? Someone come bring me some food? Does anybody ever bring them food? Come back to North Carolina, we'll line up shots for you. Shots of what? Lemonade? So Clay, A-Father did a video in the shower over the weekend. Yes, he did. I can't unsee it, and I keep having keeps any remedy for this that you know of. Yes, the only remedy that I know is for me to do a video in the shower. And I just don't know, man. There's not enough people there. There's not enough people that watch the Eight Fathers video that would need that. So, if it becomes a global type deal, maybe. That is the only remedy that I can think of. Thousands of people creating coins. Yes, a lot of people creating coins. Did you meet up with Matt? No, I do not think so. I am Aubrey. Mr. Normus, you are Aubrey? Okay, I might have missed something. I think I probably missed something. Not sure. If there's a Gangsta Paradise was actually pretty cool. I don't know if I saw that one. No, I haven't. Yes, he is not. What was his Gangster Paradise like? Was it about AMC? Almost up 2,000 on the day, Clay, bro. NT, I love it, man. I love it. Man, 2,000 on the day. Very nice, NT. You're doing good, man. If I just using the AMC movement to promote himself. Yeah, man. But even if he is, John, you know, he got in. And I think he's going to get back to his roots, right? I do. But he's an entertainer. It's clear the guy's an entertainer. And he made some pretty funny content. I think he'll get back there. Yeah, mixed up, but it's cool. It's, Aubrey, there we go. I was answering it. Gotcha. That's what I messed up. Aubrey is in the chat, and Dixie said, I'm Aubrey, or something. Strange, but good deal. Let's do a meetup after the squeeze. We can all show up in our Lambos and buy steak and lobster dinners. Dude, I'd rather show up with my Kia Forte with Lambo doors, right? Some butterfly doors or something. Suicide doors on the Kia Forte. My question was, are anyone selling puts on hood? Gotcha. And then Mr. Normus said that he is. Now I understand. Aubrey brought it all together. I was confused, but now I am made whole. Thank you, Aubrey. I appreciate that. One Lambo. Antics. One Kia Forte, man. 319 people to listening to lo-fi music. What the heck? Come on, 319 people. Why would you listen to lo-fi instead of listening to Clay-fi? Come on now. Who mows your lawn, Clay? I do. Diffy Dog. I do. Lambo just released in 2022. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Countach? Is that sweet? There are no people in AMC. What? There's no people in AMC? I'm sure there are people in AMC. I'm in AMC. Clayfi, let's get it, man. Martin's listening. Man, there's a lot of grass. Right on? Diffy Dog, yes. Right on over, dude. Hold for the wife changing money. Ooh, Zach! It's gonna be expensive, man. Gonna be expensive. Old school Lambo. Gotcha, John. Gotcha. Now I know. It's a little early most places for a manatee, but I'm sure there are a couple in AMC at least. Or matinee. Dude, I thought that said manatees and that's the kind of stuff that I think about when Brett starts typing. Like, there's manatees in AMC matinee. Yeah. It is a little early, man. It is a little early, but there might be some people in some theaters somewhere. Oh my god. Oh man. Hopefully Brett still can't hear me. Jeez. Clay, Snoop Dogg told you to smoke with him. Would you? No. Hope you're not changing wives, though. Just wife changing money, not changing wives. Just wife changing money, that's all we want. Martin, no idea what that says there. Too early for... Yes, manatee too. That's a dinner entree. That's gross, dude. Can you imagine how fatty a manatee would be to eat? Clay, watch Abe Valor singing his 8 versions of Gangsta's Paradise and playing the piano. You know I don't love the guy, but I watched that with a smile. Anyone else see it and enjoy it? I did not see that. I'll have to watch it, man. It sounds like... Was it recent? Drink prices are reduced during matinees. Okay, I thought you were going to say manatees now and just make fun of me. I go to AMC theaters. I hardly see any people. F. What time do you drive by, man? It's more like wife adding money. John, all right, man. There you go. Clay, your video on the weekend on new investors joining AMC was the best I have seen in a while. Too many crazy breaking news videos by other YouTubers. Dude, I scroll through the AMC stock feed, right, for what's being released on AMC. There are so many breaking stories that I don't understand how these YouTubers have the exclusive that nobody else has. Or like exposed information that nobody has. Leaked information that nobody has. Breaking news that nobody has. It's very strange how things are breaking 24 hours a day surrounding AMC. But I appreciate that, Johnson Town. I do. On AMC, $32 is a bad average up, being at $35.24 now. Mike G, not if you want to add to your portfolio, man. Hey, Clay, why doesn't the shares get serialized? Just add the stock in front of the... Just add the stock name in front of the unique and running numbers to share. That's Steel, man. So, all of the shares are registered, okay? And the transactions are registered. Like, the people that think that it's that easy to create a fake share that nobody knows about, it's not that easy to create a fake share that nobody knows about, man. It's really not. If Snoop Dogg told you to drop it like it's hot, would you? Absolutely, Lauren. Absolutely. And I'd go, Snoop, while I did it, too. So definitely, Lauren, I would definitely drop it like it's hot with Snoop Dogg. I'm coming down hard from a 3-day insane party streak. Only slept 2 hours in 3 days. There are 2 girls in bed with me. I don't even know who they are. Antics. It doesn't matter who they are, man. The only thing that matters is right now, you ask them if they own AMC. It's the only thing. So ask them right now. We are waiting patiently for you, Antics. We need to know. Look to your left, look to your right. Say, hey, do you have AMC? Talking to you too. That's it, man. We need to know right now. Hey, are those exclusive breaking stories? I guarantee the mother of all short squeezes tomorrow. Again. They do, Pringleton. They do, man. The short squeeze is always happening tomorrow. Oh, I guess I had to be Lauren for that. I guess I had to be Lauren for that topic. Chris, never, man. No, I don't smoke, dude. I don't smoke, so I wouldn't be smoking. But if I was dropping it like it's hot, I'd be dropping it like it's hot. You need to snoop one more time. I want to record it as my alarm. You gotta get lucky, man. You gotta be prepared for those snoops, Brett. You gotta be prepared. Anthony's Legends, ask them if they're subscribed to Clay Bro. Also a good question, Nick F. And if they are, listen, holding AMC, you can tell them to buy AMC. If they're not subscribed to Clay Bro's channel, they gotta get out of bed, dude. You gotta get out of bed if they're not subscribed to my channel. 2 girls next to me, and you are on YouTube. Absolutely, Joe. Absolutely. Wouldn't you be on YouTube right now? Come on now. Buy the dip. This time, it's different. It is different this time, man. It is different this time, Af. I feel like Af, do you have any shares of AMC? Or, like, are you getting burnt right now on your shares? Or do you not have any shares of AMC? Does anyone have a better average than me? Holding the lines. Del Toro. I don't know if anybody has a better average than $2.97. I certainly do not. Miss MLSS has a lot of volume right now. Does it? I don't know about that. I'll leave chat for a stinging hour, and the stock price decreases with $1. Shame on you guys. Shame. Johan, it's because I decreased the steepness of the line. Definitely a shame on me, man. Wow, I'm impressed you knew that song. Me too. I do as I'm told in that situation. Oh, man. Yes. Me too, Lauren. Me too. I would also do as I'm told in that situation. And I definitely know drop it like it's hot. Okay? I definitely know drop it like it's hot. Oh, boy. My day just keeps getting better and better. Well, yeah, they're passed out. I'm awake. This is downtime. Remember, he has only slept 2 hours in the last 3 days. You gotta ask him, dude. You gotta ask him when they wake up if they're subscribed to Claybro's channel. Martin says Claybro. Martin, question. If we own the float and people keep buying synthetic shares, what's real and what is going to happen to the owners of synthetic shares? Thanks, Claybro. Listen, we own the float, but I don't think that people are constantly buying synthetic shares, right? I don't think that that's where the buying pressure is resulting in. I think that there are plenty of day traders. There's plenty of legitimate shares that are being sold, and I think that that's what people are buying. But yes, dude, in your scenario, if everybody was buying these synthetic shares and the only shares being sold were synthetics, that would drastically increase the amount of synthetic shares outstanding, the amount of fake shares outstanding, and those shares would get covered as well. So it would add to, simply it would add to the amount of shares that need covered, and therefore more buying pressure during the squeeze, higher prices, right? MLSS has second volume right now. Yes, it does. When I burn myself in the kitchen, instead of dropping what I'm holding and it's hot, I just start twerking and it's not terribly effective. That's why you gotta drop it like it's hot, dude. You get the twerking is new gen. You gotta go old school and drop it like it's hot, dude. The new gen stuff, no. Martin, absolutely, man, absolutely. But I'm not on. I don't think that all the new shares being sold are synthetics, man. Antics, were they cheaper than 3 AMC shares? If so, give me their numbers. Thanks ahead of time. Mr. Normus, all right. Overall market is pretty much red. John, it is definitely a red day today. Not a good one if you're upset looking at red days in your portfolios. Man, it's so hot here today. Sweating more than Cuomo. Oh, man. I don't know if I can read some of your jokes without offending YouTube, so yes. But it's not hot here today. I got the back door open and it's raining right now. So it's not going to be a very hot one today. Do you shake it like a soul shaker or shake it like a Polaroid picture? Hip-hop send mixed messages. They do, dude. It's difficult to say. All I know is when I do shake it, all the boys come to the yard. Shake it like a milkshake. That's what I shake it like, and then it's doesn't always result in what I want it to result in, but it works, dude. It works. Institutions buying, they're just copying us, or they can be buying in so their shares get covered at a decent price, and ours don't. Just a random thought, not a concern. Yeah, and it's possible, man. It's all going to come down to who covers first, but you're going to be able to watch it go up, man. And there's going to be somebody was kind of getting a little crabby in my videos, I think last night. Hey, I forget their name already. If you're in here and you don't understand the concept of retail investors buying or volume, I could show you how your shares would get covered, even though there's only 80 million reported short shares out there. You don't need 80 billion. Whereas free money, I have gotten only 1,200. What gonna do? All of he money went to rich buyback Ponzi schemes, just like last time. What? You made 1,200 bucks and then lost it in a Ponzi scheme? Shake it like a DQ Blizzard. Those things are thick, man. Those things are thick. Shaking it like a milkshake will cause a bad boy infestation in your yard. Yeah, yes it will, Brett. I have been known to do that. Like a boy infestation that's bad, not an infestation of bad boys. Thanks for the clarity, too. Because a lot of people would want an infestation of bad boys in their yard. It's a bad infestation of boys, though. It's not an infestation of bad boys. In your opinion, if an aide had 10,000 to invest right now, would it be better to buy 5,145 strike call options for January 22nd or straight up buy 280 shares? Papa Mac. I'd be on board with the shares at that point, all right? Especially if you're going all in, seemingly going all in with 10,000 and not diversifying your portfolio, right? Got the shares, at least you've got the shares. What happens if we don't squeeze before January 22nd? Call options expire worthless and you just lost 10 grand. Oh, it's definitely a red day. Yes, Barbara, not a good day for the overall market. Control Citadel. Yeah, I don't know. But listen, man, he's not being that bad, so. AMC Apes Living in a Gangsta's Paradise is the title. It was yesterday. Give it a watch later. I'm surprised his lungs didn't explode. I'll have to check it out, man. 50 style bad boys, though. Lots of leather jackets and switchblades, but bad boys back then could at least perform a little doo-wop. Yeah, dude, they could. That's my goal in life, is to be a 50s bad boy. Bye-bye-bye. Okay, I'll stop playing with you. This made me laugh. Barbara. You're allowed to play with me. So Weeble, let's go full screen Weeble here. Beauty school dropout. We got Rocket in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on, Rocket? How's your morning into afternoon going? It's not afternoon for you, right? How's your morning into afternoon going, man? Rocket's just a beauty school dropout. Rocket. Speaking of 50 style bad boys, Rocket is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. He is here. In negotiations to get Coleman to play the role of the AMC Short Squeeze. Oh, should he do it? Should he do it? Are we going for close today? No, there's no way. I should actually. When did I get on here? 2 hours ago? We probably should do some sort of a break, though, because I can't charge my phone during streams. So we should do some sort of a break if we want to stream the close. Otherwise, we just got to go long stream and then call it a day. Man, Natalie owns this chat. Oh, Natalie does own this chat. Enormous. Hold your breath. They will print more money for you. Dude, I don't want them to print more money for me, man. When is the Claybro anklet giveaway? We need a Claybro anklet giveaway, don't we? Along with a toe ring. If the Samsung dries up, I may need to change my name. Do we like Bro Squatch, Sasquatch, Sask Bro, Abdominable Claybro, or the Clay Squatch? Ladies and gentlemen, let it be known which name you like right now. If the Samsung dries up and we are no longer Claybro's dry Samsung, in Claybro's wet Samsung, do we like Bro Squatch, Sask Bro, Abdominable Claybro, or the Clay Squatch? Vote now. Johnny London in the house. What's up, Mr. Johnny London? How you doing? Hello from the UK, where I sit and hodl. No matter the weather, the hedgies are sweating. Lee, I like it, man. No matter the weather. Clay Scratch. Ooh, Clay Scratch. Okay. Not Clay Squatch, Clay Scratch. Clay Bro. What's up, Stephanie? How are you? Big man, Johnny. Johnny's the big man. The Abdominable Snow Bro. Ooh, I like it. The Yeti Bro. Okay, I'm on board with the Yeti Bro. I can get down with that. Clay Squatch. All right, we got Alex Cinco saying Clay Squatch in the chat right now. Anybody else got any good names? That was a hello to you, big man. What's up, Johnny? Hello to you, big man. All right, I gotta see. How many likes do we have right now? I just clicked on the video. 317 likes. Very nice, guys. Actually, can we go 400? 400 would be amazing if we can get 400 likes. After the squeeze, Rich Bro. Ooh, very good. Die. I missed it. I missed I. Darn it. Done with this heat. Ready for fall. Mad Medic. I was mowing the lawn yesterday, and it did seem like it was a little cooler than normal. Appreciate you. Gallo, I appreciate you as well. Clay, can we not do this as a regular thing? 2 hour. Clay, can we not just do this as a regular thing? 2 hour break, power hour, so we know when to be available. Obviously, you can change anytime. It doesn't work. Yeah, I mean, we could. We could. Oh, and, hey, there's a chance. There's a chance. I don't know. It depends on the weather, but there's a chance that I go to the zoo tomorrow morning. So I don't know if I'll be doing the morning stream tomorrow. There's a slight chance that I go to the zoo tomorrow. I'm not going to go if it's raining, clearly, but there's that slight chance. So I want to throw that out there right now. Mr. Enormous, thanks, but not at all. Missed it. The owning the chat thing, maybe? Clay scratched them diamonds. Ooh, Clay scratched them diamonds. Why? Because I'm harder than a diamond. Does anyone else watch this stream naked, asking for a friend? Me. Hey, Natalie. Hey, Rockets. Clay, we need a live stream at the zoo. If I did that, it would have to be quick, man. I'm not gonna live stream all day at the zoo. If I did that, it would be very quick. Or I would just post a real quick video while I was there. The zoo, watch for nets. They may throw you in the ape enclosure. I will keep my eye out, man. I will keep my eye out. I don't need anybody throwing me in the ape enclosure, but if they did, that'd be pretty sweet. I would live stream that. I would live stream that for sure. Squeeze says you could own a zoo. Dude, I would love to own a zoo. Did anybody watch that movie, We Bought a Zoo? That was a good movie. Live stream from the ape enclosure. I mean, I probably could. Live stream at the zoo where the apes are. It would be quick, though. I'm not going to sit there for like an hour and... Like, I'm not going to take my ring light and set up a live stream in front of the ape enclosure. Although, that might be pretty legit if I did. Now I'm thinking about it. Now I might take my ring light. We'll find out. A stream from the primate exhibits would really set off your channel. Dude, especially if one of the gorillas came over and, like, fist bumped me. You know what I mean? Like, he's like, alright, I see what you're doing out there. Got the apes on the outside now. I don't know about buying a zoo. Animals should be free. Well, they should be free, man. But what about, like, a rehab facility? There are some animals that would not make it if they were free. Zoo, to meet a family of monkeys, say hello, bros and sisters. Yeah, that's exactly right. Brett is a marketing genius. Dude, Brett is just strictly a genius. Got to set up for work. Everyone see you later. Bye, Clay. Lauren. Enjoy your work, Lauren. I will see you later. Try to bring all of your elaborate streaming equipment with you. It's difficult, man. My elaborate streaming equipment is a phone and a ring light. I think I can make it. Dude. Bye, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Just firing up the AMC defibrillator. Hold on. Alright, we shocked him back to life. We're going to go back up to $36 here. Let's go. Alright, we are at 2 hours, 1 o'clock. What do you guys think? You think we take a break now? Let me see where we're at. I want to see what kind of battery we got. Listen, we can either go... Oh, no, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Where we at? This one. Yeah. Alright, we either go full long stream or we come back a little later. What do you guys say? 500,000 subscribers later. Clay, still streaming into a Samsung. Yeah, dude, for sure. Rocket, for sure. Wet and dry, man. Wet and dry, 500,000, 5 million, it doesn't matter. Still streaming right into the Samsung, man. With the Samsung laptop, 2010. Is there any way I can see when this computer was built? Because I forget when I bought it. Is there like a place on here that I can click and see when my computer was made? Does anybody know that? Been feeling doing aquariums at my house. Been fun. Not cheap. Been feeling doing aquariums at my house. Dude, you're building aquariums at your house? That sounds like it might be cool. Come back later. I think that's probably going to be the general consensus, is doing a end of the day stream as well. Yo, what's up, Korkameth? How you doing? Bye, Mr. Simon. Lauren says bye to everybody. Lauren's one of those girls, man, you guys go hang out at the birthday party or whatever. You're like, all right, it's time to leave. 45 minutes later, Lauren's still saying bye to everybody. And you're like, all right, come on, Lauren. We got to go now. We got to go. And then you just left the party, and she's like, I'm hungry. And I'm like, yeah, because you just spent 45 minutes saying goodbye to everybody. So then you got to stop and get something on the way home. Even though you just ate at the birthday party, you got to stop and get something on the way home. She just spent 45 minutes saying goodbye to everybody. Oh, jellyfish, that's the new fad. Dude, the jellyfish will be pretty sweet. Clay, manufacturer date. Manufacturer date might be on the sticker on the bottom. Hey, man, it might be. Let's find out. Nope, I got product key, dude. I don't see any manufacturer date on the sticker here. Good call, though. There were 2 stickers on the bottom that I didn't know were there. Oh, man. Speaking of Hunter-Gatherer, which is what we were speaking of, I've been watching Naked and Afraid lately. I can't quit it. Never watched that show, man. Is it any good? We all like Lauren. Yes, 11-11, Simon. We do. If nothing happens by 10:30, probably break. I don't even know if I'll stay that long, because if I stay that long, then I won't be able to charge my phone enough to come back and do another one. My Sunday school teacher, when I was younger, told me that. Johnstown, I don't even know what he told you. I thought we had the copyright on Naked and Afraid for our home movies. Brett, somebody let it slip, man. Somebody let it slip. You gotta go get it back. It's an old-looking computer. Yeah, antics, man. I'm telling you. It's from like 2010 or 2011. I leave 5 minutes. I leave 5 extra minutes to say goodbye. I'm organized. But you are right. I am that girl. See, she even prepares. She's one of those planners. She's a planner. She spends an extra 45 minutes saying goodbye to everybody. Right. Meanwhile, I'd already be in the car. Like, she's still in there. All right. I've been sitting in the car listening to music for the last half hour. For personal information, Simon, do not do it. Did not see what Simon said. Simon says. Did not see what Simon said. Alright, it's okay. I trust the apes. I also do as well. Maybe. I don't know. Bye, Carlos. Alright, listen, I'm saying we're going to come back a little later. Alright, we're going to come back a little later. I'm saying goodbye for Lauren right now, since this is really going to drag out and she's got to get ready for work. So, here's the deal, guys. We'll be back around a power hour into the close type of deal. And putting phones. Oh, gotcha. He's putting his phone number out there to Lauren. That's dangerous, dude. There's 330 people in here, and more people might watch it. So, very dangerous. Bye, Clay. Bye, Lauren. Bye, Clay Rosebud Samsung. You guys know the deal by now. Listen, if I get off, AMC's going to rip back up above $36 anyway. So I'll do you all a favor. We'll watch AMC go up during the break. We will be back in the afternoon after, I don't know, sometime in the 3 o'clock hour, we'll be back. We'll do an after hours, power hour type deal, and we'll have some fun with that one. So make sure if you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. Click the like button on the way out. If we can get to 400, that would be great because we've already done great above 300. So you guys are killing it on that one. Let's see. All the links in the description below. Make sure to check those out. Get your name in the chat right now if you want to shout out. And we're going to say goodbye to everybody. Bye, what, Samsung? Bye, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Mr. Johnny, man, see you later, man. Have a good day. Brett, have a good day, man. DD214, Vevers Vold, Lauren, Rocket, Lauren, Antics, Grinnin, Mr. Sahil, Anini Waka. Until later, until the next time, right? New foe, 1111 Mr. Simon, Rocket, Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. Who? Natalie Pringleton. See you later, man. Ben Chillin. Deuces. Until the next time, right? Chris. See you later, Clay. Thank you very much. Mr. Sahil. Crypto Rocketeer. Neil Wolf. Mr. Anything Tech. Mr. Simon. Sahil again. All right, guys. If you want to, Natalie. See you soon. Absolutely. Joe Ape. I'll see you in a minute, man. If you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.